Selection, selection, selection. That's what we got down here in Infiniti Melbourne. If you're looking for an SUV, you owe it to yourself to stop by and check out the all-new 2023 Infiniti Qx60. And we don't just have one or two, we got a bunch of them on the lot right now. It comes with the best warranty on the market, a 4-year 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty, plus a 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain. And right now, if you lease or purchase any new 2023 Qx60, we'll throw in 3 years worth of factory maintenance included at no additional charge. That means all you gotta do is put gas in and drive it for the next 3 years, and it's only Infiniti of Melbourne. I'll see you here. Hey folks, Greg Roberts here, General Manager at Infiniti of Melbourne. Our inventory is the best it's been in a long, long time. We have a great selection of cars on the ground right now and more coming. And the best thing about it, we do not have a premium price markup over the MSRP and actually discounting the cars a little bit. And all the 23 models come with 3 years factory scheduled maintenance included at no additional charge. So with the warranty and everything, all you have to do is put gas in it and drive it for the next 3 years. Stop by and I'll help you find the car of your dreams.